Hello Transformation, welcome back to my channel, Modern Transformation by Celeste. If is this your first time, please click on that subscribe button. Also, please like, share, subscribe. In today's video, we're going to do a reaction to MAC Cosmetics with their new line, what they have in store, and we're going to just do a reaction to it. So if you guys ready, first subscribe, hit that like button, and get this video up to 100 views. So if you want to see more, let's get into the video. I like that shade. That is pretty. Oh, that's a cute blush. Okay, Mac, I see you stepping up too. Ooh. I wouldn't be able to get out of there.
Perfection with Studio Fix. The skin is skinning. Need sparkly lids for New Year's.
Ooh.
Viva Glam Friday lip combo. I'm already wearing chestnut and plum all over my lips. Let's put on Viva Glam Empowered. Adding grapefruit punch. Some more chestnut. Topping it off with some lip gloss. Okay, so which Viva Glam are you wearing today?
The one you just put on. That is cute. Ooh, I love that. The lipstick is like a purse. Clever. I love it. Oh, I love the eyeshadow. Oops, can I play the song? Ooh, that's a pretty shade. That's like a coral color. Good. Ooh, I love the shades. I am in love. I love makeup.
Deepavali is coming up soon, so let me show you how I created this makeup look featuring Max Embroidered Opulence collection. Starting off with this beautiful purple shade in my crease and blending that out, then going in with the brown shade to deepen it a little more. And we can't create a Deepavali look without adding shimmer, so I went in with this really pretty pink shimmer shade on my lid, and wow, I went back in, added a wing liner along with some lashes, and the eyes are complete. Now for the base, I'm concealing my marks and scars here with the Conceal and Correct palette, then going in with a MAC Studio Radiance foundation, added some concealer under my eyes and used another shade to brighten, and then I went in with their molten metal highlighter in Bling-a-Ling to the high points on my cheeks, and this really just gave me the glow I needed for this look. So pretty. Locked everything in with their powder foundation, bronzed up my face, added some blush, and then I went back into the same eyeshadow palette and used a purple shade on my lower lash line and used the Color Excess gel liner in Spark Gold on my lower waterline to just make the eyes pop. Added my favorite cork lip liner before going in with the lipstick in the shade Find the Light, and it just brought the whole look together. Finished off with some mascara, and voila, this is the finished look.
That's cute. I might have to blend the music with this because I don't get it copyright.
MAC lipsticks got another upgrade with the Maximal Sleek Satin lipsticks. So some of our favorite satin shades like Myth, Paramount, Brave have been upgraded to the Sleek Satin formula, as well as some of our favorite amplified and cream sheens. So like Creme de Nude, Cream Cut, Blankety are all gonna be in the Sleek Satin formula now. Let me tell you what makes this formula so amazing. Obviously we know with the Maximal upgrade, everything's bigger, bolder, better. So the Sleek Satin formula has a better color payoff and a smoother application than what we were used to in any of the previous formulas. It's also packed with conditioning and hydrating ingredients. So there's rose hip seed oil, camellia seed oil, and pomegranate seed oil to really hydrate the lips. And because of this really high hydration formula, the lips actually get sort of plumped up and smoother because of all that moisture that's held in them. So immediately and over time of wearing this formula, you're gonna see a smoother, plumper look to your lips. It's also longer wearing, so now our favorite colors are just gonna stay on that much longer. And one other cool thing about this formula is that it's actually recommended for use on the lips and the cheeks, so you can use it as a blush too. We love a multi-purpose moment. So those are the quick upgrades to the Sleek Satin formula. I hope you're so excited to try this on. I just know you're gonna be obsessed with the way this feels. Our favorite shades are even better, and now there's so many new colors to try.
Whoa. Pretty.
Let's try on Double Shot, that mocha brown coffee inspired lipstick. This amplified formula is so creamy and so pigmented. I'm obsessed.
Jabeen, we have a double shot for you. Double shot at the bar for Jabeen.
It's your favorite series on TikTok. I'm so excited to show you guys that they brought back bubbles. And this is how you make it a Miss Megan lip. Obviously, you have stone now. And was it for? Definition. Bubbles. I love it. I had a really old bubbles that I had melted down in a palette. There's an old video somewhere. I'm gonna feather in stone.
Okay.
You made glaze.
Cute.
I didn't realize that. I thought bubbles was a frost. Made a glaze texture, bring it back fully. So because of its thin texture, this will be the best like mixer when you've seen me use like white lipsticks to lighten things. To the next level, a little bit of Double Shot. And just keep layering until you're happy. Don't look at me that way. I'm normally a quad over ice, but a double shot's okay. Welcome back, Bubbles and Double Shot.
Transformation. I really did love the MAC Cosmetics, the lip liner, blush. You can use the lipstick as blush, and the pigmentation of the lipstick that shows and it stays on. I love MAC. I haven't had MAC in a minute, and they have some new up to date lip care, and they have a beautiful eyeshadow palette as well. I need to try that as well. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to try next, or MAC. But I really do enjoyed this review. I love the lipstick. I'm mostly into the lipstick because I love to have a longer wear with my lipstick. And also, I need y'all to come with some shimmer MAC for the eyeshadow. Good pigmentation. I need y'all to have about 60 or 100 colors of glitter. But if you guys did like this review, comment down below. Tell me what's your favorite part. And also, if you want to see more videos like this, please give this video a like and subscribe and get it to, up to 100 views or 200 would be good for me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. And comment down below of which makeup brand we should do a review next. Until next time, guys. Ciao.